You better watch out there, pal. Me and my posse are on our way to kick some ass and take some names here.
Fucking pull up.
Let's fucking go, boys. Let's go. Oh, I didn't know we were bringing only small cocks. My bad. Have a nice day.
Whoa, now, we all know there's nothing wrong with nice, economically sized cock. Gets the job done, leaves everyone satisfied, and besides, we all know, big cocks are all show, no go.
Y'all, it's not about the size of the cock. It's about the attitude in which the cock does his business. Size.
You don't want this. You don't want it.
Oh, it's on like Donkey Kong. Out here getting the squad trained up and ready. See you in about 8 weeks. Let's go.
There's only one guy going to win this chicken war. These girls are ready for battle. Trust me, bud. I don't think you want smoke.
For all the threats that are happening, Kevin's ready to rumble.
All right, we got the Legion out here. They're getting all fed up, ready for battle. I had someone ask me yesterday, they said, "Are your chickens free range?" I said, hell yeah, they're free range. They got free range to waddle up and kick some ass. They got a message for all you guys. Fucking pull up.
Old boy said fuck around and find out.